Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes guys, so I went to Zares. Big up on yourself, Zares, and always have the good meat them pan sale and the fish them. So guys, I got some salmon, alright, and I'm gonna pop it in the oven and I'm gonna do a baked glaze garlic, and it's like gonna be a garlic sweet chili sauce on it. All right, so what you can do, you can use some honey if you don't have the sweet chili sauce. So we're not gonna cut it, all right? We're gonna make the whole big old piece, plank, flat, juicy, delicious. All right guys, let's get into the video, and please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Okay. I have this baking tray. I put about a teaspoon of olive oil. I'm gonna oil the bottom, okay, something like that. And with my salmon here, I clean it up a little bit. I clean the bottom, I leave the skin on. All right, I wash it in some vinegar. What I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna season it up first, okay? You know, you want to season by your meat, your fish and your meat. So this is my Jamaican fish seasoning. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon, not much. I'm not gonna overdo it, or maybe 2 teaspoons, yeah, something like so. Okay, the oven ready, and go ahead and preheat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Up next, we're gonna put some onion powder, about a teaspoon. You don't want to overdo the fish, okay, something like that. And I'm gonna add some mustard in it. All right, me never tell you that part there, no. And this is some garlic powder, just a smidge as well, about another teaspoon. A little bit of black pepper. And we gotta put a little bit of salt, not much. Okay, and that's it for that seasoning. That's it for the seasoning. Okay, so now we're just gonna move this and set it one side, right there, so so get a little dish like this or anything of your choice. You don't have to make it too fancy, you know what I mean? So now we're gonna make the glaze for it. Okay, we're gonna put like a tablespoon of my blended seasoning. I will leave a link. It has onion, garlic, scallion, pimento, thyme, parsley, cilantro, the whole shebang, olive oil, vinegar. And then I'm gonna squeeze just a smidge of lemon juice, like a tablespoon. Me do it wrong guys, but take out the seed, okay? We don't want no seed in it. Take out the seeds. We're gonna put some garlic, lots of garlic, so a tablespoon of garlic as well. We're gonna go in with 1 tablespoon. This is my sweet and spicy mustard, okay? So I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of that, or 2, put to your liking. All right, and this is my this is my sweet Thai chili. If you don't have this, just go ahead with some honey over there, and I'm gonna put like 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons. I'm gonna add a little bit of crushed red pepper, add about a teaspoon. I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika, about a tablespoon for color, right? I'm gonna give it a little bit of parsley flakes, about a teaspoon. And you want to go in with some olive oil, okay? I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2. Look at this goodness guys. That's all you need, nothing more, okay guys, nothing more. I already put salt and stuff over there, so Oh my god, this is gonna be oh so good. And if you want it spicy, more spicy, just put some hot sauce in it, okay? I almost forgot, I'm gonna put a little bit of ginger, like a teaspoon of ginger. Ginger gonna give it that extra kick, okay? You don't have to, optional. So go ahead and mix this. All right, that's better. Okay. You need a brush like this, and my oven is warming up. I want to taste it. Oh my goodness, so good, so spicy, full of flavor. Ooh boy. And it have that kick from the lemon juice. So now just go ahead and take your brush and you're gonna brush it on, okay? You see this? I want if you not see, guys. You not see where me I see? Easy salmon recipe for you guys. So just go ahead and base it, brush it on, cover the entire thing. All right, and that's it. I have about half the amount left. You can use it for a different recipe, okay guys? You don't have to put anything more on it. Don't throw this away, just cover it up for another recipe. And now the recipe calls for about 15 minutes for this one, but you know me, how me cook my stuff, I'm gonna give it about 20, but you can go ahead and cook it for about 15 minutes if you like. Depends on how you like your salmon. Okay, cook it to your taste. I want my stuff to cook in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover it up. And then I'm gonna come back, okay? My fish is in the oven, so I'm gonna take it out in about 5-10 minutes time. And here I have some onions and green onions, and I'm gonna just saute it to put on the top. Add a little bit more flavor and garnishing as well. All right guys, so I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of olive oil. And I'm gonna saute this for about 1 minute or a minute and a half. That's it guys. Okay. I'm gonna turn the stove off. You don't need no salt, no pepper, no nothing guys. Just we're gonna get some of the flavor going in it, and we're gonna turn the stove off. Okay. Over here I'm cooking some Uncle Ben's rice, and this one is the mushroom rice, okay? So I put 2 packs and 1 pack of the mushroom because I don't want it to be salty. Alright guys, stove off. So see, a minute and a half. Alright. And we're gonna take out the fish and we're gonna put it on top. Guys, you see the goodness here? Oh yeah. These, I'm gonna place it over, you know. You know, I'm no special place, guys. Just put them. Now, you see the goodness? I'm just gonna pop it back for about say 7 to 10 minutes without the lid to make it kind of, you know, have some more color and well cook, and then that's it. All right my peeps, look at the goodness. Boy, me I tell you no boy, look at that, a whole chunk. A whole piece. All right guys, and that's it. I want to see inside, not true. But guys, this is how I'm gonna serve it up. I'm gonna put some lemon slices on it just for decoration purpose, okay? You don't have to overdo the thing. Just put a piece over here. Not overdo it. Just put a piece right there, so. And you know, when you're ready, just take a fork and just pop off a piece. And go down right down in a hit. All right, and My rice is there, my mushroom rice. So this is it, guys. Love upon me and I love upon you. You're gonna taste amazing. I know it because I know the flavor. You see that, guys? All right, I'm gonna cut it and show you how it looks inside.
All right, what's good? Is it plain?
Yeah.
How can I rice this? Oh, I regular
Uncle Ben's rice. So guys, he's gonna taste it. You're trying to make it fancy. Okay, cover up the rice now, sir. All right, you're gonna cut it with a fork or knife? Fork.
This one.
Oh my! Look how juicy. Oh.
That's it.
Show them it. Well cooked, guys. All right, you're gonna taste it.
Pick it up, or you want me to
just taste it. How is it?
It's soft.
It's soft. I can't see your hand hide the thing. Okay, good. Ooh. Wow. Would it like a little bit more salt, or is it okay?
Is it cooked yet? Oh, it's mad soft. What did you put in?
It's a secret. It's tender, eh? And juicy. My son said it's mad soft and juicy. The gravy is good. We don't have much gravy. He always say we don't have much gravy.
Let's give you like that.
So guys, I'm just gonna, oh, I mean, it's so tender, eh? Wow, look at that, guys. Taste it with the onion.
You know, like if you have tiers, you have like A, B, C. Normally salmon tastes like a C, B.
Yes, salmon,
this
yeah.
tastes like a high quality.
You say hot on the market. Oh my god, it's so,
like
it look tender though. I don't try it yet. That's why I want you to try it. But it tastes good, eh? All right, guys. You see, flaky, tender, and nice.
I'm the most I will try.
All right, and you know, say tomorrow we are gonna dive down in it. I'm gonna give my daughter a little bit, but thank you, guys. Bye, guys. Me not tell no lie. See it there? See what my son left out right there? I may share mine. And this is what I give my daughter, and this is what my son left out of it. You see, look what left, guys. Yeah. Not tell no lie. It's so flaky, so juicy. Oh my goodness. Try it, guys, and tell me what to say.